Question number 6. Draw and explain production possibility frontier for an economy that produces milk and the cookies. What happens to this frontier if a disease kills half of the economy's cows? Production possibility frontier is also known as a production possibility curve or the transformation curve. It helps to visualize the different possible quantities of two different goods that may be produced when there is a limited availability of the resources. The following are certain assumptions we consider to comprehend PPC, that is production possibility curve. So the production is operating at a maximum amount of productive efficiency, that is all available resources are utilized in most efficient manner. Second is to increase production of X good, society has to reduce production of Y goods. That is, society faces trade-off due to fixed amount of resources. For example, for explanation of PPC, please refer page number 24, 25 and 26. Write 150 to 200 words describing PPC on x-axis milk and y-axis cookies or vice versa. Please note that the increasing opportunity cost and its explanation. So after you will write this 100 and 150 words for describing PPC, now let me add something, some more. There are some limitations which we need to know so that such limitation and adjoining risk can be considered while analyzing the PPC for any economy. Those limitations are as follows. First, it assumes that the technology is a constant factor while in the real world, the technology improves efficiency and productivity, and technology improves over a period of time also. The second limitation is when one product, let's say X, can be produced at a lesser cost due to technological application, while Y, in spite of using the same resources, production cost is relatively expensive than that of X. This leads to confusion for the society for the fundamental question of the economics, that is what to produce and how to produce. It is difficult to prioritize for a society which production technology to be used in the economy, especially in the case where market fails, that is market failure exists. For example, public good, merit good, demerit good and externality, etc. The cases of market failure we have discussed in the chapter 1. So there is another limitation, deciding bundle of X and Y is not always practical at a societal level. We have two-dimensional diagram which is useful with accuracy when there are either only two goods or a two bundle of goods. For example, companies like Patanjali, ITC, that is FMCG goods producing companies, have limited resources to produce so many goods. So the PPC of two-dimensional model will not helpful for manager to decide the most efficient combination of goods to be produced so that they can maximize their profit. So however, there are some other econometric models we will discuss in either in SY or in TY. And the second part of the question, that if the half of the economy's cow dies, the PPC curve shift inward as there will be much lesser resources to produce either milk or cookies.